Several weeks of serious considerations, the Central Board of Secondary Education had decided not to cancel the compartment exams for students who failed in subject papers this year. CBSE has said that not conducting the exams can have an impact on the student's future. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the board has received several requests from students and parents to cancel the compartment exams, but they recently decided against it, as it can have a negative impact on the future of the students. While giving information on the conduct of compartment exams this year, CBSE also talked about the several exemptions granted by the Home Ministry to the Education Ministry for the safe and responsible conduction and evaluation of the exams amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, let's have a look at the exemptions granted by Home Ministry. As the CBSE compartment exams 2020 are being conducted this year, the Home Ministry has granted the exemptions to Education Ministry for opening the education institute for the conduction and evaluation of examinations amid the COVID-19 pandemic. The Home Ministry has also granted similar exemptions to the higher education institutes and universities for the conduction of end-term examinations for final semester students this year. As per the guidelines of Unlock 3, the Home Ministry has also allowed universities and schools to conduct several administrative activities on campus, though students will not be allowed to attend physically classes till 31st of August. In continuation with that, CBSE said that students can appear for the examinations afterwards. The CBSE class 10th and 12th results was released by the board during the lockdown, and the pending examinations were cancelled for the students to reduce the risk of the infection. Students were marked on the basis of internal assessment for these subjects. The students who are not satisfied with their results can appear for the examinations of cancelled subject papers later as well, when the education institutes are functional again, stated CBSE. CBSE will conduct the compartment exams for students soon on the basis of standard operating procedures released by the Home Ministry. According to you, is it right to conduct the compartment exams during this COVID crisis or not? Please share with us in comment section below. And for more news and updates, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.